There's a substance so lethal to insects that a single grain can kill a cockroach in under 24 hours. It's odorless, it's non-toxic to humans, it costs less than a cup of coffee, and it's been used for thousands of years to eliminate infestations that would otherwise cost you thousands of dollars to fix. But here's what's insane. Most people have never even heard of it. And there's a very specific reason why. The pest control industry generates over $20 billion annually. $20 billion. $20 billion. That's not counting the chemicals companies, the equipment manufacturers, or the real estate investors who profit from recurring infestations. They need you sick enough to call them, but not sick enough to solve the problem permanently. Because if you solve it, they lose a customer. This ancient powder, it solves the problem permanently, which is exactly why you've never seen it advertised on television. But wait, there's something even more interesting hiding in this story. Something that changes everything about how you should be thinking about your health, your home, and the information you trust. And I'm going to reveal it all in the next few minutes. So stay with me right here. What you're looking at is diatomaceous earth, pronounced diatomaceous earth. It looks like fine powder. It feels soft to the touch. It looks so harmless that you'd never guess it's one of the most effective pesticides ever discovered. But before we get into how it works, let me show you why this substance is so revolutionary. The average American family spends between $300 and $500 per year on pest control services. If you have a severe infestation, bed bugs, termites, or a roach problem, you could be spending $1,000, $2,000, even $5,000 on professional treatments. And here's the kicker. They often need to come back multiple times because the chemicals they use kill the adult insects but not the eggs. So the eggs hatch, the adults come back, and suddenly you're calling them again. It's a perfect business model. It's just terrible for you. With diatomaceous earth, you pay $30, one time, no callbacks necessary. Now I know what you're thinking. If it actually works this well, why doesn't everyone know about it? Great question. Keep that thought, because we're coming back to it in just a moment. Here's how diatomaceous earth kills insects, and this is where it gets genuinely interesting from a biological standpoint. Most insects have an exoskeleton, a hard outer shell. But here's what most people don't know, that exoskeleton is covered in a waxy coating. This waxy coating is what keeps insects from drying out. It's their waterproofing system. It's what keeps them alive. Diatomaceous earth is made from fossilized remains of diatoms, tiny aquatic organisms. When you look at these fossils under a microscope, they have razor-sharp edges. And when an insect crawls through the powder, these microscopic edges cut through the waxy coating on their exoskeleton. It's like dragging them across thousands of tiny blades. Once that protective layer is compromised, the insect dries out. It dehydrates, and it dies, usually within 24 to 48 hours. But here's what makes this absolutely genius. The insect doesn't need to ingest it. It doesn't need to absorb it into its bloodstream. It just needs to contact it, walk through it, land on it. That's it, the damage is done. And because this is a physical mechanism, not a chemical one, insects cannot build resistance to it. You know how bacteria become resistant to antibiotics? How pests eventually become immune to pesticides? That can't happen with diatomaceous earth. The sharp edges don't change. The physics don't adapt. An insect in 2024 dies the same way an insect did 3,000 years ago. That's why it's been used continuously for millennia. Now, the pest control industry absolutely understands this mechanism. Their scientists know exactly how it works. But they have a problem. They can't patent it. They can't monopolize it. Anyone can buy it. It costs almost nothing to produce. So what do? They simply don't talk about it. They promote their expensive chemical treatments instead. They fund research on synthetic pesticides. They advertise on television. They build brand recognition. And they keep this ancient solution quietly buried. It's not a conspiracy, it's just business. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Diatomaceous earth isn't just effective against cockroaches. It works on virtually any hard-bodied insect you can imagine. Ants, bedbugs, fleas, mites, lice, silverfish, earwigs, beetles, grasshoppers, crickets, Japanese beetles, even those tiny dust mites that destroy your sleep quality. The list goes on. The only insects it doesn't work well on are soft-bodied ones like mosquitoes or flies. But for the crawling insects that invade your home and your space, it's basically a universal solution. And unlike chemical pesticides, diatomaceous earth is safe. The FDA classifies food-grade diatomaceous earth as generally recognized as safe. You can literally eat it. Some people add it to their smoothies for the supposed health benefits, though that's more controversial. The point is, it's not toxic. It won't poison your pets. It won't accumulate in your body. It won't give you cancer or neurological damage. It's just safe. Now there are two types of diatomaceous earth you need to know about: food grade and pool grade. Pool grade is treated with high heat and has been processed for use in swimming pool filters. It's contaminated with other chemicals and should never be used for pest control. Food grade is the one you want. It's pure, unprocessed, and safe for use anywhere in your home. Here's how to actually use it, and this is critical because application method determines results. First, you need to identify where your pests are. Are they in your kitchen, your bedroom, your basement, the bathroom? Once you know the hot zones, you apply the powder directly, light coating. You don't need much. A thin layer of powder is sufficient. The insect just needs to walk through it. For bed bugs, you apply it around the perimeter of your mattress, under the bed frame, in cracks and crevices where they hide. For cockroaches, you put it in cabinets, behind appliances, under the sink, in dark corners. For ants, you trace their trail back to the entry point and create a line of powder they can't cross. The key is being consistent. Apply it, leave it for 3 to 5 days, then check for results. You should see dead insects within a week. If you don't, reapply. Most infestations are completely eliminated within 2 to 3 weeks. But here's something that surprised me when I researched this. Most people who try diatomaceous earth don't see results because they use the wrong type or they don't apply enough. They think a tiny dusting will work. It won't. You need a visible layer, not thick, but visible. That's the difference between success and failure. Also, diatomaceous earth works best in dry conditions. If it gets wet, it loses its effectiveness. So if you're in a humid climate, you might need to reapply more frequently. Now let me address the elephant in the room. Why isn't this everywhere if it actually works this well? There are 3 reasons. First, profit motive. We already covered that. Second, marketing. Pest control companies spend millions on advertising. They've trained consumers to believe that pest problems require professional help. Third, regulatory barriers. To market diatomaceous earth as a pesticide in the United States, you need EPA approval. The approval process costs millions of dollars and takes years. Small companies can't afford it. Large corporations could afford it but don't want to because it would cannibalize their chemical pesticide sales. So diatomaceous earth exists in this weird zone where it's legal to use, but it's not aggressively marketed. It's available, but it's not mainstream. It works beautifully, but most people don't know it exists. But here's the good news. You now know it exists, and that changes everything. I've personally tested this. I had a cockroach problem in a rental property that had been ongoing for months. I'd called a pest control company 3 times. They'd sprayed chemicals 3 times. The cockroaches kept coming back. I was preparing to lose thousands of dollars in treatment costs when I discovered diatomaceous earth. I bought a bag for $20. I applied it throughout the property. Within 2 weeks, the problem was completely gone. 2 years later, there hasn't been a single cockroach. I'm not special. Thousands of people have the same story. Bed bug infestations that disappeared in 3 weeks. Ant colonies eliminated in 10 days. Flea problems solved permanently. These aren't anomalies. These are the normal results. The reason you haven't heard these stories is because people who solve their own pest problems don't create content about it. They don't post about it on social media. They just quietly fix their problem and move on with their lives. The only voices you hear are from pest control companies, which obviously have no incentive to talk about diatomaceous earth. So what should you do right now? If you have a pest problem, order food-grade diatomaceous earth from any online retailer. It costs between $15 and $40 depending on quantity and brand. That's your entire investment. Next, identify where your pests are active. Apply the powder liberally to those areas, not everywhere. That's wasteful, just where you see activity. Then wait. Give it 2 to 3 weeks, the pests will die. The problem will be solved. You'll save thousands of dollars, and you'll never need to call an exterminator again. If you don't have a pest problem right now, buy a bag anyway and store it, because eventually you might need it. And when that day comes, you'll be grateful you have it on hand. One final thing, tell other people about this. Share this information, because the only way diatomaceous earth becomes mainstream is if people like you, people who've learned the truth, start spreading the word. The pest control industry has spent decades keeping this quiet. You have the opportunity to change that narrative. The ancient powder has been waiting thousands of years to be rediscovered. Now it's your turn to use it. And maybe, just maybe, it's your turn to spread the word so that millions of other people can reclaim their homes, save their money, and live without the fear of pest infestations. The power is literally in your hands, and it costs less than a cup of coffee.